Welcome to 5 Minute Friday, another episode with Expedite. My name is Eve Barrett, creator of the first mobile app where busy attorneys, paralegals can click, connect, and capitalize on coverage. So it's Friday once again. They come around so quickly. I wanted to explain that, I wanted to reiterate that I created this app because it's the reason I created it, it's a distributed network that instantly connects busy attorneys and paralegals with talented and available court reporters, interpreters, videographers, and other legal professional services in a moment of need based on their location. So when I thought about it, what I wanted to share with you was this really cool concept that one of my team members mentioned to me today. How many apps do you have on your phone? I have a number of them. How many of those apps actually provide you a revenue stream? They provide a source of jobs. I don't have any. Now, I paid for quite a few of them, but none of them actually provide me the availability of a job or the notification for a job in my area. None of them serve as a revenue stream. So that's sort of what we created here is if you have a legal professional skill, this is a tool that you can have on your phone, and it's a possibility of picking up a job in your immediate vicinity if you're available. So what do you have to lose by Expedite? Really, you don't have anything to lose signing up with Expedite. And to that end, I've had a lot of questions lately about Expedite and what opportunity does it create and how does it bridge the gap between services that are needed by busy legal professionals and technology. How are we bridging that gap so that we can all work together, court reporters and the people that are looking for us? So that's why I created Expedite. We actually have decided, let's go ahead and create a webinar. Let's just throw a webinar out there on Sunday. It's this Sunday at 11 o'clock. It's free. You can go to our Facebook page and register on the link with the link that we've provided. Many of you have probably received emails. There's room left. We do have spots available. I want to hear your questions live. I want to answer them as you throw them at me. Ask me anything. That's the theme of the webinar. Ask me anything. You may want to ask, how does this affect my bank account? I mean, will this breach my bank account? Let me explain how Stripe works on this webinar. You may ask me, how does this affect future jobs? What if I get a request for a future job? How do I handle that? Is there a way that that goes to my calendar and sets reminders for me? Yes, everything's automated. There's so many questions I know you all have. I want to hear them. How does the referral system really work? Yes. Does Expedite access my location services, my contacts, my picture gallery? Yes, yes, and yes, and we will explain how and why. So anyway, that's what the webinar is about. I'd love to have you all join us because I want to answer them. I'll have my members of my team will also be on board. My IT, Vice President of IT, or Chief of my technology. I'll also have my Marketing Director on with me. And I'll, of course, be answering your questions. I want to hear your questions. This is about you. So this whole hour, Sunday at 11 o'clock Eastern Time, this whole hour is about you, your questions, and let's parse out every question you have and make everything abundantly clear, because once again, I created this as an opportunity for you, the legal professional that's looking for work in your immediate vicinity when you're available. It's just another revenue stream for your book of business. So once again, thank you for joining us again here, and follow us on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, check out our website, and we would love to see you on Sunday. Thank you so much and have a great weekend.